This is Storm. She's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. And Storm is such a good kitty. She comes over and wants you to scratch her face, her cheeks, her chin. Yeah, you take that. I saw when I took my hand away, you put your hand back up there and said, "Pet me some more." And it's just made you all frisky now, huh? The Storm's a gentle girl. Friendly, sociable, playful. You want to play fetch? Want me to bat it back to you? Now, Storm, I can tell that you've had some awful good care in your life, because you are such a doll. Hi, Storm. Oh, you're such a good kitty. You're so cute, too. My goodness, Storm. You go get it before it gets you. Bye-bye, girl. Bye-bye, Storm. Oh, you're going to clean the mouse. Oh, aren't you sweet, cleaning up the mouse? Yeah, you know, too. What a doll, Storm. You're perfect. Bye-bye.